I had one family that came in. It was actually the daughter of a man who was in a nursing home. Her mother passed away, and then her father ultimately needed to go to a nursing home. And by the time she came to me, people had told her she needed to get a mortgage on the house to pay for his care. She had completely run out of money. It was too late for me to save what she had already spent, but at that point we were able to at least protect the house, because when she came to me, what she was being told was that medi-cal was going to come and take the house away from her, and she had already spent everything she had. What I've found is so many times adult children of seniors are very nervous about talking to their parents, and yet the seniors are actually very aware of the issue and really want to talk about it. So many times they try approaching their children, and the children just say, "Oh, I don't want to deal with that. That's, I can't deal with you dying, so I'm not going to talk about it." So in approaching a parent, it's important to realize that the parent wants to make sure that things are going to run smoothly and that they're not going to be a burden. And so for the kids to approach them with that mom or dad, I know that this is kind of a difficult subject, but I know you probably want to make sure that everything's in order, and so I'm here to help. And is there something we can talk about as far as what you want to happen if something should happen to you? And I have found that parents really respond very well to that. People experience a lot of issues with living longer and dealing with long-term health problems, the expenses involved, the emotional issues that are involved. And so just more and more I kind of developed into an elder law attorney and do a lot less estate planning and a lot more long-term care planning. And for me, it's just been very, very rewarding, because I get clients from every spectrum. By the end of the process, they are so incredibly relieved, and they feel so empowered that things are finally under control and that they don't have to deal with all of these issues on their own. When they started, they felt lost and confused, and by the time we were through dealing with all of the issues, getting all their legal affairs in order, and protecting their assets, they felt so much better, and they are so incredibly grateful for what we've done for them, and it's a really good feeling.